Good morning, my dear little ones.
Good morning, sir.
Okay, please sit down. Once again, I welcome all of you to my English class. Shall we start?
Yes.
Okay, my dears. Let's start with a riddle. Okay, all of you listen to me. I will say the riddle. You have to answer me. Are you ready?
Yes.
Shall we start?
Yes.
Okay, all of you listen me very carefully. I am black in color. Have you got the answer? I am black in color. I am a non-living thing. Non-living thing. I am a non-living thing. Dusk is a non-living thing. Bench, pen, all are non-living things. But animals, birds, we human beings are living things. We studied earlier living things and non-living things. Okay, I am a non-living thing. My color is black. I am a non-living thing. Have you got the answer? Come on, think, try. I am a non-living thing. I am black in color. Okay, here is the next clue. Next clue. As you get older, my color will change into white. As you get older, as you get old, my color will change into white. Okay, here is my last clue. I am on your head. Who am I? Okay, please stand up. Who got the answer? Okay, I will say the riddle once again. All of you listen me. I am black. I am a non-living thing. As you get older, my color will change into white. I am on your head. Who am I? That's my riddle. Okay. Who will say the answer? Sia, you tell me the answer. Didn't you get the answer? Okay. Nafila, you tell me. Come on. Yes, very good. What's the answer? Okay, all of you give Nafila a good clap. Nafila, good girl. Well done. Keep it up. Okay, now here is my next riddle. All of you listen me very carefully. This is a simple riddle. You listen carefully. You can answer the question. Okay, listen me carefully. Okay. I am the home of so many animals and trees. I am the home of so many animals and trees. Next clue. There are 6 letters in my word. There are 6 letters in my word. My word start with the letter F. Okay, listen me. I am going to say the riddle once again. Okay, Abdullah, listen here. I am going to say the riddle once again. I am the home of many animals and trees. There are 6 letters in my word. My word start with the letter F. Who am I? Okay, please stand up. Don't say. Please stand up. Who got the answer? Okay, Kishore, you say the answer. Forest. Very good, very good. Kishore, well done. Keep it up, my dear little boy. What was your answer, Ikhwa? Forest. What was your answer? Forest. I am the forest is the, Abdullah, listen here. Forest is the home of different animals. There are so many animals live in forest like lion, tiger, Come on. Elephants. There. Okay. Okay. There you can see so many trees in the forest. Then how many letters in the forest? How many letters in the forest? Forest. 6 letters. Which is the first letter? So what's our answer? Well done, my dear little boy.